Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how you can post a full photo on your Instagram. So let's dive in. So usually when you want to post a portrait photo on Instagram, it usually gets a little bit zoomed in, and when you try to crop it out, it just does not work. And today I am going to show you how you can go about that so that when you post a portrait photo on Instagram, you can get a full scale photo in your posts. So let's dive in. So what you can do, you can click on the top plus button in your phone, the create post, and what we're going to do is we are going to look for a photo that we can use to post. And I'm just going to use this one. Note that one is in landscape mode, and when it is in landscape mode, it tends to be already full. I'm going to look for a portrait photo, and a portrait photo is one that's taken while your phone is vertically upright. Now I'm going to use this photo right here, and as you can see, I cannot get its full scale to fit in my Instagram. So what you can do is you can go back to your photos you want to check, click on that photo, and you just screenshot your phone, and you can go back to Instagram and you want to post the screenshot photo, and you can easily crop it out and fit the full scale of your photo, as you can see here as I have done it. And that is how you do it, guys. You just take a screenshot and you post the screenshot. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more content like this.